Hi there. My name is Dr. Marissa May. We'll be solving the solution of an absolute value inequality. Let's begin by dividing both sides by the -4 we see on the outside of this absolute value. When I divide by a negative number, I have to flip the inequality. That's a cardinal rule of inequalities. Now, because it is a less than, I know this is an and statement. So when I take the absolute values off, I'll say x minus 2 is less than or equal to 3, and x minus 2 is greater than or equal to -3. Catch the two changes I made there. I flipped the inequality and I changed the sign of the number. Now we'll solve the inequalities by adding 2 to both sides, so that I got x is greater than or equal to 5. Sorry about that. X is less than or equal to 5, and x is greater than or equal to -1. Let's start with the 5. We'll put it on our number line, and because it has the equal to underneath it, that tells us there is a closed circle here at 5. Now, I'm not going to shade on the line yet, but I just want to put a note that we would shade to the left for x is less than or equal to 5. We'll do the same for the x is greater than or equal to -1. We'll put the -1 on the number line, and it's got an equal to underneath it, so we shade it. And then because x is x is greater than or equal to -1, we would shade to the right. Now, the important part of this and is we want where these two shadings overlap. These shadings overlap in between the two numbers. This is where I shade on the actual number line. And this is what I want to write the interval for. So for this shading, it begins at the left at -1. And it ends on the right at 5. Because there are closed circles for both of them, we put brackets for -1 and a bracket for 5. So this is my interval notation for the solution for this inequality.